What's up, it's your girl Nicole, aka Lil MCK. Too busy being an icon and shit.
I am just an icon living. I am just an icon living. Icon living. I am just an icon living. I am just an icon.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my curly hair with the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restorative Styling Lotion. You guys have seen me use the leave-in conditioner and I asked you if you wanted to see this, and a lot of you guys said yes, so I've delivered. So this retails for $9.99 at my local beauty supply store. I don't know how much it is everywhere else. So yeah, if you're interested in how my hair turns out, I've never actually used this product before by itself. I've always used it in conjunction with something else, like a gel or something. So yeah, if you want to see how, like, my favorite gels and what I mix them with to get me different types of looks with my hair, make sure you thumbs up this video as well. But if you want to see what my hair looks like with this, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into, you know, the usual, and I'm gonna just clip half of it away like this, and I'm gonna work with the bottom section. My hair's pretty damp. I washed it about half an hour ago and then I got ready for work, so yeah, it's pretty damp, so I'm just gonna peel off the seal. Ooh, okay, first impression. Okay, so it has the same kind of smell and it's got the same kind of like milky consistency. I don't know, it's quite milky, if that makes sense. So because I've never used this before, I'm not trying to do too much, but I'm going to take about this much product. Okay, it's very runny, it's very watery. So I'm going to take some and put it in my hair. It feels the same as the leave-in, like it doesn't feel different or anything like that. Great. So when I'm not filming, my camera has a full supply of battery, but the one time I decide to film, the camera decides it wants to die. So this is what it looks like applied to one section. Again, you can't really see. I need to learn to wear like light coloured shirts when I'm doing my hair, because you guys actually can't really see anything that I'm trying to show you, and it's quite annoying. Yeah. So I'm just going to apply this all throughout my hair. Oops. And then I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, I lied. This doesn't smell the same. This smells different. I don't know if it's a different formula or what, but this smells very different to the actual leave-in conditioner. I don't know. I don't really like the smell of this one. I don't like the smell. I can't even describe it to you because I don't know what it. I don't know how to describe it. Like I can't. But it's grim. I don't like it at all. So I've just finished applying it all throughout my hair, which is what it looks like now. My hair feels like it's got enough product in it, but the smell is getting on my nerves. I don't know how to explain the smell to you, but it's not nice. It's actually foul. Like, it's grim. It's grim. When I do my hair, I want my hair to smell nice, and this doesn't do that for me. Like, I like floral scents or like sweet scents, but this just smells like, I don't know, like I can't describe it to you, but it's not nice. It's just not nice. I don't know. Oh mate, the smell just really put me off. But anyway, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my usual Jamaican black castor oil to my ends. I never forget this step because my hair is so dry, especially in the winter. It's dry in the spring, it's dry in the summer. Like, my hair is dry all year round. There's no time of the year that my hair is like not dry. So I have to apply oil every time I do it, especially during the summer. Oh, the smell. Oh! The smell is a no-no, but everything else is fine. Okay, so I'm scrunching my hair. I'm liking the definition it's given me so far, and I haven't even allowed it to set yet, so I'm quite impressed a little bit. Like, I'm a little bit impressed. But the smell, the smell. Oh yeah, I cut my fringe, my curly bangs, which you guys would have seen a time ago. The reason why I cut it is because, I don't know, I get very bored of, oh, if you want to know what I'm doing, I'm putting the remaining oil on my scalp. But yeah, I get very bored of my hair very quickly, and like, I don't know, I'm going through a phase where it's like, I don't know how to wear my hair curly because it's at a length that I like it, but I wish it was longer, and I just don't know what to do. And like, I keep dyeing my hair, which I love, but I get bored very quickly, like very bored. So I don't know how to explain it. I did make a video on me actually, you know, cutting my fringe, so if you want to see that video, thumbs up this one and leave it in the comments, and I will edit that video and upload it for you, because I filmed the actual video of me cutting it, styling my hair, like the day that it was done. But yeah, I cut my hair, and yeah, just the front, like everywhere else is the same. You will find that when my hair dries, my hair looks like it shrunk up a lot, and I promise you, I only cut my fringe. On the day that I cut my hair, I also did a mayonnaise treatment, and ever since I did that, my hair has shrunk so much. I'm not angry at the fact that my hair is in a much better condition, but like, why did it have to shrink so much? I don't know. I don't know. But my hair shrunk, and it just makes it look a bit shorter, which is annoying because I want the length. But anyway, that's my little rant. But yeah, I'm gonna leave my hair to set for about half an hour, and then I'll come back, I'll diffuse, and then we'll discuss my final thoughts on this product. And yeah, so yeah guys, these are the final results with my hair fully dried, featuring the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil Black Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. These are the final results. As you can see, my hair is really defined, like really defined. It's super bouncy. I have volume. I haven't even picked my hair out, and this is what my hair looks like pretty much. It has volume, it's really defined, really bouncy, really shiny. I actually really like this product on its own. As I mentioned at the beginning, I have never, apart from today, I had never ever used this product by itself. I've always used it in conjunction with something else, so like a gel or a mousse or something like that, but I've never actually used it just by itself. But I feel like I'm going to start doing that. I think this will be super convenient for me if like I'm traveling, because I'm always traveling somewhere. I feel like this is definitely going to be something that I am going to use. Yeah, I actually really like it. I would give this probably like an 8 out of 10, only because of the smell, and although my hair is dry, my hair is not crunchy, like it's not crunchy, but you can definitely feel the product, like you can feel a cast, which is not really a problem, but for some people it might be. So I'd give this like an 8 out of 10. But yeah, the smell, like I don't know what's going on, like fix the smell. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment. If you want to see more first impressions / reviews / curly hair routines, make sure you give this video I actually can't talk, and I'm running late for work. But anyway, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and click the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video you guys will know about it. Yeah, also share the video, like, comment, all that good stuff. Every time you guys like a video, it actually helps me out a lot because it lets me know what you want to see. But yeah, I need to hurry up and go to work, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
On my waist there's a black Glock. New girl moved on the block.